Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment. Introduction to Internet of Things, Week 11, Assignment 11. So the first question is, what are some of the other names of the smart grids? So these are the option and the answer of our first question is A, Energy Internet. Now let's go to our question number 2. Which of the following is not done in traditional electrical grids? So these are the option and the answer of our second question is D, distributed power plants. Now let's go to our question number 3. Which of the following is a benefit associated with smart grids for customers? So these are the option and the answer of our third question is D, different pricing options. Now let's go to our question number 4. Fill in the blanks. Dash samples voltage and current with a fixed sample rate at the installed location. So these are the option and the answer of our fourth question is C, PMUs. Now let's go to our question number 5. Which of the following statements are true about MDMS? These are the statements and these are the option and the answer of our fifth question is C, statement second and third. Now let's go to our question number 6. Which of the following aggregate the energy consumption or energy request of a certain geographical area? So these are the option and the answer of our sixth question is B, metadata management system. Now let's go to our question number 7. Which of the following statements are true about dynamic system attacks? So these are the statements and these are the option and the answer of our seventh question is D, statement first, second and third. Now let's go to our question number 8. Fill in the blank. Dash is performed by compromising the availability of the grid component. So these are the option and the answer of our eighth question is D, Daniel of service. Now let's go to our question number 9. Fill in the blank. Dash is a primary challenge in IIoT. So these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is D, integrate existing infrastructure into new IIoT infrastructure. Now let's go to our question number 10. Fill in the blank. Dash is based on a wrap and reuse approach. So these are the option and the answer of our 10th question is A, AOT. Now let's go to our question number 11. Mechanized production is a part of the fourth industrial revolution. So true or false? So the answer of our 11th question is B, false. Now let's go to our question number 12. Which of the following happened in the third revolution? So these are the option and the answer of our 12th question is C, mechanized production. Now let's go to our question number 13. Which of the following is not a vulnerability of the smart grid? So these are the option and the answer of our 13th question is D, none of these. Now let's go to our question number 14. Big data is characterized by 7 V's. True or false? So the answer of our 14th question is A, true. Now let's go to our question number 15. What is the flow of data? So these are the option and the answer of our 15th question is C, generation, acquisition, storage, analysis. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.